Daddy Jack's cooking with the blues. So, you know, everybody's done a million sausage and pepper sandwiches and everything. So we're gonna do ours now. And I haven't done one, you know, in a while. But Glenn Peltier here and his wife Paula Peltier. You know, Orsini, Paula Orsini Peltier. So they made sausage and pepper sandwiches, and we'll be here this summer doing them with Sailfest. And but here it is. Here's what it's all about. Orsini sausages. Look at that. Triple hot. Triple X. That's not some dirty smut film. This is triple hot sausage and spiced fennel garlic Italian sausage. They've been around since 1933. You know, third generation. Look at it. No filler, no water added. You know, this is the real deal. So I've got some butter going. We're gonna toast off those rolls. Just a little bit of oil just to get it going. I mean, it's already got plenty, but you know, we don't want it to stick. So we're gonna make a couple nice patties here. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Woo! Little red pepper.
Do it. Yeah.
Red pepper in it. And it's like making hamburger patties at Mama's when I was a kid. But back then we go to the grocery store and the butcher, man, he grind it fresh right to order at Finest supermarket there in Vernon Circle. And he put a little bit in one of those paper boats. And heck, we'd eat it raw right there. That's like a Yankee steak tartare. You know what, Glenn? This sausage, there's not a lot of grease.
No.
But they're grinding a lot of lean. We're here gonna cut some nice peppers. My friend Josh Feldman over there at Noble's down the road was up at Restaurant Depot. I said, hey, grab me some of those multicolored peppers. Here he came with this, beautiful peppers. I took those nasty stickers they put on these, my pet peeve. More red. I got a little bit of red onion we're gonna throw in there, so but pretty much we're gonna just call it sausage and peppers. Oh, you know what? For breakfast, a fried egg on top.
We had that the other day.
You know what? Call that sausage eggs Benedict right there. And I'm gonna put some of this garlic butter and toast these Martin potato rolls. They're one of my favorites with a sesame seed on it. Gotta have garlic. Sausage and pepper sandwich. Come on. Up onto the broiler. the garlic. Yeah, no extra oil. Just a little bit we started. Thank you, B. Just a little bit we started with. Look at that, no grease coming out. I mean, it's not, they don't load it up. It's, you know, you got, when you get 5 pounds of Orsinis, you get 5 pounds of finished product. You know, for sure. Hey, B, grab me that lid, the big lid, the round lid. What I want is the natural flavor. See, look now. So you got a little bit on the bottom there. We're gonna move these up. Turn the fire down a little bit. And I'll put a little bit of balsamic vinegar. Just a little bit. Just cover that up, steam it a little bit. And we'll be right back. About 2 minutes, 2 seconds. All right, Glenn, time is up. Woo! Look at that. Yes, sir. Got a little bit extra flavor on those peppers. Not a lot, because we want to keep the flavor pure. Look at that nice garlic. I didn't even put any Parmesan on here, because unadulterated. Oh man. All right. Oh, we do so much with the tongs. Eventually, you got to go right. Put the mitts into it. And all right, put up. Come on, Bruce. Do that. All right, I'm gonna give it a taste. I know it's hot, but come on, Bruce.
Looks incredible.
Oh yeah. Don't do anything else with it.
Amazing.
I know Smitty
Well-
wants a taste.
Oh, of course.
Here you go, Smitty. Yeah. Didn't take my fingers off.
Smitty approved.
Hey, you know, it's like just keep it simple. Don't add we didn't add any seasoning. You're gonna, you know, you can put more pepper if you want, but it's got plenty of heat. Put garlic if you want some garlic powder, but it's got plenty of garlic. This Orsini's triple hot. I'm such a huge fan of it. It tastes so good, adds so much flavor, makes your mouth water, doesn't it? And pepper with the just a little balsamic vinegar. Didn't take away from the natural flavor. It actually complemented the peppers. Didn't overcook the peppers. They still had some nice texture to them. And this old bakery back in Manchester, Connecticut, next to Vernon where I grew up, Giuliani's Bakery. This guy was the best. He made all the Italian cookies and cannolis and pastries, but he made his own grinder rolls. And every day he'd put these fresh baked grinder rolls, open them up, he put his best Genoa salami he could find, aged provolone, and then I knew some farmers and they had excess peppers and at one time, and I had like 10 cases in my car when I was about 16. I go by, I say, you need any peppers? He took them all, because he makes them, and I don't know if he froze them, but they're just a little, I don't know exactly his recipe, but I believe it was balsamic vinegar and garlic, a little bit of water, just, throw them in the oven and cook them down, but they were kind of dry at the end, so he didn't put a lot of water into them, or balsamic, but he just put that salami, the aged provolone, and some of those peppers, I call them marinated peppers, and then he'd wrap them, serve them cold. He'd do, I don't know, on a Friday, like 200 sandwiches, and when they were gone, that was it. These construction workers come in like $5 a piece back then, $6. They buy 10, 20 of them, and later in the day, if you could hold off to later in the day, and even that sandwich would marinate itself from that flavor. It was to die for. And it's kind of a similar, method, recipe that I did today. That let the natural flavors stand up. Don't mask them with. And like Jacques Pepin said, no more than 3 flavors in a dish. That's all you need. And this is perfection. And we'll be serving this summer at Sailfest. Right, Glenn?
That's right.
And again, when we sell out, so you've been getting here early to get them. And B in the background came down a day off today, and she's baking some pies for her grandson's birthday. And we did a nice heart-shaped pizza for Valentine's. Check the recipe out. And Bruce, come on over here. And Bruce down from born in Nova Scotia, woodworker, writer. Wrote a book on Houdini. What was it?
Harry Houdini, yeah.
What's the name of the book?
The Metamorphosis, the Apprenticeship of Harry Houdini.
Yeah. I guess he came through Canada before he got famous. That's where they found he discovered a straitjacket at a insane asylum.
Yep.
And then he learned a lot from Canada. We can all learn a lot from Canada. Canadians came down through here, and then they migrated down to New Orleans, Acadian, and that's why New Orleans, a lot of people think I'm from Louisiana. We got very similar accents. If I had an accent, some people tell me I had an accent. I said, I think everybody else got an accent. And you got Smitty here, what a beautiful dog. Oh, yeah.
He's loving it here.
Yeah, he loves it. He can come back anytime.
Yep.
I didn't bring my guy Axel down today, because they'd be running around, horse playing and all that. But hey, thanks so much for coming down.
Thank you, Jack. It's
Yeah,
a pleasure
thanks.
watching you.
Thank you guys. Cool with the Blues. Glenn Peltier on camera. Man, we're gonna have to wrap half of this sandwich for Paula,
Have to wrap
because
it
she
up.
got to taste the finished product. There's Dave Jasko with the Blues here, Deepwater Port here in beautiful downtown London, Connecticut. Beautiful in the summertime. We love it this time of the year. It's a quaint little city. Artists, great artists, musicians, galleries. It's a beautiful thing. Come visit. We have beautiful beaches in the summertime. Glenn, can't thank you enough. These new videos come up with your new cameras. Beautiful. I really appreciate everything and couldn't do without you. Thank you, Blues. Peace.